We're going to the other side.
What? You want over here? Out here, go under. Yep. Nice and slow. There's already some roots. Go, just keep going. Still going. Okay, keep going. It's PVC. There's a belly or a blade. Oh, back up. Broken right there. Okay, go forward. If you can. You can't, can you?
No.
No, clean out came off. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Oh, back up. Something coming in there. Back up. Okay. Go ahead. Forward. Okay, there's the old concrete. Okay, back up a little bit. That's part of the problem. See how the paper's hanging? Okay,
yeah.
Go forward. Root ball, huge root ball. Back up.
Right there.
Yeah. Okay, go forward. Hole, no. There's roots, okay.
More roots. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
More roots, yeah. Keep going.
More right there.
Yeah, that's a break. Pull it back. Is that a break? No, maybe not. Nope. Okay. Massive roots. Yeah, massive roots.
More woods.
Yeah. Oh, back up a little bit. Just a little. A little more. A little more. Okay. Go ahead. That's huge. Okay. Yeah. That's what they're dealing with. There's a hole there, see it?
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
Over here that? Or
Yeah, go all the way out to the street. All the way out to the street. If you can. Getting there. We're pretty close. It's huge. Completely blocked. Now don't break the pin.